Welcome. In this short tutorial, we'll build a C# program that finds the longest word inside a sentence. This is a great beginner exercise for practicing string splitting, iteration, and a simple tracking of maximum values. We'll walk through the problem, look at a clean implementation, test some examples, and discuss small edge cases and real-world uses. Let's jump in and code it together. Plainly, split the input into words, scan each word's length. Remember that the longest one is seen and printed. We'll show a robust implementation that handles punctuation as is. You can trim punctuation as an extension. Also, our implementation will return the first longest word encountered, which is usually acceptable unless you want a different tiebreak rule. Here's a clear implementation. We split the sentence on spaces, then iterate through the resulting array. For each word, we check its length. If it is longer than the current max length, we update the longest and max length. Finally, we print the longest word. This version keeps punctuation attached to words. If you need to ignore punctuation, remove it before splitting or trim each word with trim regex. This algorithm is big O(n) in the number of characters over words. We visit each word once and check its length. It's simple and fast for typical strings. If you want to ignore punctuation, so the alphabet becomes alphabet, you can call trim with punctuation cars or pre-processing the string with regex to keep only letters and spaces. These examples show behavior on ties and punctuation. In the first example, we return following. In a tie, like hello world, we return the first encountered longest word. If you prefer the last longest or all longest words, that is a simple tweak. We collect all words with W length is equal to max length after scanning or updating the longest on greater than equal to pick on the later one. Finding the longest word is a tiny building block in many text processing tasks. It can help flag extremely long tokens that may be errors. Example, no spaces. Be used in simple readability checks or support UI tests that ensure your layout can accommodate long words. In NLP pipelines, you might want to handle long tokens, especially or break them apart. To wrap up, the solution is straightforward, efficient, and easy to adapt. For production, consider the logic in consider extracting the logic into a reusable method and null empty checks, such as string is null or empty, and decide how to treat punctuation and ties. Also, try extending the method to return all longest words or to normalize the text before measuring. Great job! Keep experimenting with small strings problems like this to build confidence. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.